virus may pack a little trash of home to help them adapt to life in new host. Viruses usually infect only certain types of host. For instance, many viruses that infect humans don't infect other animals, but influenza viruses often seem to jump from birds to another species. Yeah, in 2009, the H1N1 swine flu made the leap from birds to pigs and then into people, setting off a pandemic. Yeah, even now, an outbreak of avian influenza is infecting and killing birds, sea mammals, and some other animals around the world. No one knows whether that flu virus may eventually infect people, and if it is does, whether it will be have the ability to spread easily and cause a pandemic. Despite plenty of instances of bird flu viruses infecting people, scientists weren't sure exactly how the viruses overtake other species. A new study offers a clue about one of the first steps avian influenza viruses used to adapt to infect humans and other animals. Avian influenza viruses stack proteins that are replication into their viral particles. Researchers at the Chinese Academy of Agriculture Sciences in Harbin and colleagues discovered the reproductive aids called ANP32 proteins may help flu viruses make the jump from birds to mammals. The researchers report January 31st in Science Advances. The finding may help researchers better understand and predict which flu viruses have the potential to cause a pandemic. When viruses infect a host, they don't carry everything with them that they need. And they just hijack things that are already inside the cell to help them replicate, says Wendy Barclay, a molecular virologist at Imperial College London. Researchers know that the viruses come equipped with a basic replication machinery called polymerases, but that may not be enough to really establish an infection. The viruses need to hijack host proteins to help the invaders quick copies of themselves. That includes ANP32 proteins, which help bring together proteins that form a polymerase copy machines. Today's flu virus needs this help in order to replicate itself fast enough in a host cell so that it does not get clobbered by our immune response to shutdown, says Barclay, who was not involved in the work. The researchers examined avian influenza proteins inside mammalian cells under electron microscopes and found that some viral particles carried little bit of bird ANP32 with them. The protein is probably attached to the viral polymerase and gets bundled into the viral particle along with the rest of the replication machinery. The researchers discovered the stronger the attraction between the polymerase and ANP32 proteins, the more helper protein that gets incorporated into viruses. It has been a mystery how avian influenza viruses, which have different ANP32 proteins than mammals do, could grab in onto the and use the ANP32 proteins in humans and other mammalian cells. Researchers showed that perhaps some flu viruses already had mutation that would allow viral polymers to interact with mammalian ANP32 proteins. Beyond the report,